Taipei, the capital of Taiwan, home to over 2.5 million people. Also an abundance of wildlife, especially birds. Taipei alone has over 30 parks and nature reserves, hosting birds such as barbets, black-capped herons and egrets. Dance Park, located in the city centre, is one of the biggest parks in the city. It's also one of the places where you can see kingfishers hunting on a regular basis. Over the winter period, Taipei's large wetland habitats attract a range of migrant birds. Commonly seen are herons, egrets, and even birds of prey circling from above. Taipei's parks and nature reserves are very well looked after. The culture here is one of respect and love for nature, wildlife, and the surrounding beauty.